Welcome to my channel once again, good people. A very interesting news is unfolding in the crypto world, and it centers on Safemoon token. Well, you see, the new crypto asset has gained recognition in recent times. Consequently, the token continues to appreciate. The question is whether Safemoon is designed to disrupt the finance world, or maybe it is quote unquote pump and dump. Well, stay tuned. Let us examine whether the catalyst responsible for the ongoing development, the recent surge in price, could be used to determine the future trajectory of this digital asset. This is for financial education purposes. Thank you. So grab popcorn or cup of tea and then subscribe. Meanwhile, let's just look at what the crypto asset is all about. You see, the Safemoon protocol is a community-driven fair launch DeFi token, and three simple functions occur during each trade: reflection, LP acquisition, and burn. Please note, these are just functions, and these functions are not designed to resolve a specific problem. More on it later in the video. Okay, now let me tell you what I think is the catalyst responsible for the ongoing surge. Price action. Okay, before then, let us look at the chart. Now, let's have a look at this chart. As you can see from the chart from the month of May, the price action changed dramatically in the upward momentum, with the little spike here and there. And if you look closely, as we go up, the price changes, we come down, the price changes. However, if you do not know, when the price action moves in impulsive and corrective pattern, that's what you see here. When it goes impulsive, we have different price. When it goes corrective, you have different price. Now, the question is, can this be sustained? This price action. Well, in my opinion, not for long. I will tell you why. Just stay with me. Meanwhile, let us quickly examine what's been going on with Safemoon in recent times. Let us look at the 24 to 48 hours live data. This past though, let's quickly have a look. You see, the price, the live Safemoon, the price as at when this thing was published was 0.0010, and within 24 hours trading volume rose to, say, bear with me, go to 148,525,947 USD. And then Safemoon was up, say, by 18.56% in the last 24 hours to 48 hours. And then the present position of this coin is at 2,491, according to according to this website, CoinMarketCap. Now, I want to bring your attention to this, what's been going on here. As regard the figures, you see, I'm not too sure what to take, because there is conflicting numbers of supply of token. Well, you see, according to market cap, it's reported that a self-reported token in circulation, according to them, is, say, 642 billion. Look at this. Let me show you. Self-reported circulating 642 billion. And then let's compare it to what we have here. It says it's, look at the supply, 586 billion. Now, let's go back again. Look at what it says about market cap, over 6 billion. Now, let's go back again. It says over 4 billion. Now, I just want to call your attention to it, that there is no specific number here. Okay, now, moving on. Let us examine the catalyst responsible for the price action. Meanwhile, to inform you, the policy initiated and now being executed by the company management is a crucial factor responsible for the surge. Well, you see, Safemoon claims it will reward people who buy and hold on to the currency. However, for those who sell the digital token or asset, they will be slapped with 10% penalty fees. And I think you want to know how. In that case, stay tuned. You see, this is how it works. All participants who hold onto their token will be rewarded with 5% reward on their token. Meaning, money will be deducted from the seller's account and given to the holders of the currency. Meanwhile, according to the Sun reporter, she argued that the strategy of redistributing 5% of the cash gain from the penalty charge amongst those who already have the currency is not sustainable. Why? Because it will require more buyers to keep buying, to keep the price up. And if you ask me, I say I subscribe to her point of view. That said, you see, in my opinion, I am very skeptical about the future trajectory of this digital currency. I mean, I'm not convinced that this token can sustain the upward momentum for long. You want to ask me why? Okay, now, you see, it is not designed to solve any known or certain problem. Remember I said we're going to get to it? However, with Ethereum, Stellar Lumen, and Cardano, they are all designed to resolve some specific problem within the digital world. Don't go. Let me break it down. You see, Ethereum, Stellar Lumen, and Cardano network have been reconfigured to resolve and provide a solution to the limitation of proof of work by using proof of stake, known as a smart contract, to eliminate higher transaction fee, reduce high energy consumption, and with this smart contract, transaction is much faster. Meanwhile, please check my videos about Ethereum, Stellar Lumen, and Cardano. You get to know more about proof of stake and how each of these crypto assets is using it to resolve specific problem. You will see the clips at the end of this video. Moving on. Is Safemoon legit? Okay, good question. Listen to what some analysts have said. It is unclear if Safemoon is legit. Very little is known about Safemoon, and this could mean that your money is at risk, at higher risk, actually. This is because cryptocurrency firms are not regulated. This means that you won't have any protection if things goes wrong. However, in my opinion, investing in general is risk. And investing in all cryptocurrencies, not just Safemoon, is also a higher risk. Why? Because they are all very volatile, speculative, and without any intrinsic value. Okay, now, what is your opinion about what is going on? Do you think it is pump and dump? In my opinion, finger crossed. Okay, now, I will watch carefully and see as event unfold. Remember, our target is 500 subscribers. And for those who already subscribed, thank you. The goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and then create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.